years ago. The search began for the best home cooks to compete in the world's biggest cooking competition. Graham Elliott.
To me, a master chef is constantly innovating, trying things with food no one would ever dream of.
Joe Bastianich.
The hallmarks of a master chef are elegance, sophistication, and finesse.
And Gordon Ramsay.
A true master chef cooks every dish as if their life depends on it. A master chef puts perfection on every plate.
Hi, I'm Sam. I'm going to be making some Loft House cookies. You may know them as the cookies you get at Acme. They're light and fluffy with a green icing.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Marley, and today I'm here to make your favorite cookie, and it contains everyone's favorite color of the rainbow, Rainbow Log Cookies.
So to get started, I'm going to show you guys a list of things that you're going to need. So you need some sugar, a cup of that, and then you're going to mix it with half a cup of butter, and then you're going to get some sour cream, and then mix it in with the baking soda, and then some baking powder, and then with some salt, with the eggs too. It's going to taste good. That's going to be part of your dough. You're also going to need some flour, because what is dough without flour? And then for the icing, you're going to do some milk, some confectioner sugar, and then some vanilla. You're going to mix that all together, and what do you get? A Loft House cookie.
Alright, so for the Rainbow Log Cookies, you're going to need 4 packets of Pillsbury sugar cookies. I'm using one that's already made because it's in a dough-like texture already, so it's pretty good. And next, for your colors of the rainbow, I picked out a packet of basic food coloring. It's green, yellow, blue, and red. So you're going to put each of the colors with each of the packets. And that's it.
All right, ready, bakers? 3, 2, 1, bake. Yep, the chef.
Alright, so I'm trying to get my first dough out from sticking at the bottom, but it's not really working.
You know, sometimes you add additional bit of flour there that loosens up the dough, keeps it off the table.
Alright, add some more then. Thank you.
How about you, chef?
I'm working on my first part of my dough, so with my sugar and my butter. So I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna add some sour cream, some baking powder and baking soda, and then the flour, and then I'm gonna start working on my icing.
Sounds good. How are you feeling about what you're making?
Pretty good. It's a family recipe,
So your family's eaten it all your life?
what?
Family's eaten your whole life? Where'd the recipe come from? Who in your family brought it to the family?
Well, my sister originally started making it, so she came up with the recipe.
Sounds like a winner. How about you, chef?
Hi. So about to add in the food coloring.
Now this addition of the dye, is it any particular technique that you like to use, or?
Yeah, I made a little hole in it for the middle, because if it isn't, it's gonna run all over the place, die.
So we're like making pasta.
And then basically, yeah, you're gonna fold it all into each other. It's gonna get a little messy.
Is messy okay?
Yeah, of course, you're in the kitchen.
What kind of consistency are you looking for?
More of a creamy, like cream cheese.
So is this the actual icing that you're making right now?
No, this is the dough.
Oh, it's the
like the
actual
basis
dough.
of it. Yeah. What makes it sweet. It's a little crumbly right now, but I need to let it go further.
Okay, we're going to give you a little bit of a break right now so you can actually get to work.
Thank you.
And we'll come back in a second and see how we're making out.
Thank you.
All in pursuit of a place in the Master Chef kitchen.
So contestants, we've got 20 minutes. How are we doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Just
Sam, you made a lot of progress in the dough consistency.
Yeah. realized it needed to be a little bit wet, so I'm just rolling it up. Takes about 10 minutes to bake. I'm gonna make the icing in between that, and then, yeah.
How about you, Molly? What's going on over here?
My log is done. I'm about to cut into it.
All right, can I see the cutting?
Of course. You can see I'm reaching some green right here. I want to make sure it's a little thin.
Wow, they really do look like a rainbow.
I also recommend putting some flour in your knife. Be careful.
And why the flour?
Because when you're taking it off, see, it got a little stuck here, and I think it'd go way faster cutting.
So the flour loosens the knife and allows you to cut
Yeah.
through the cookies
Perfect.
faster.
Yeah.
All right, we've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hands up.
Alright, I took the first bite. Very good sugar cookie. Like the marbling, the color effect. Each one's different and individual. Excellent. Very good. Alright. Let me cleanse my palate. Alright. Wow, wait, what is this?
So it's
Icing.
a Loft House cookie.
Wow. I don't know.
So we have the, what do we call this?
Loft House cookie.
What are they called?
House
Loft House
cookie. And what do we call this?
The rainbow marble
Sugar.
log, right?
Sure.
All right, and now the moment that we've been waiting for. The decision rests with Krista.
It's a tie. Hands down. I like my cookies, and I love both of them. I cannot pick. I'm not trying to be.
Are we happy with that?
What about that?
I'm not trying to be diplomatic here. I like both of them equally. Delish.
Fantastic. Well, there you have it. We've got a first ever
Tie.
a tie with a great cookie off in Sia. Who's up?
The road we're on ain't a traffic jam. It's a Sunday drive on a piece of land. It's paradise. It's like 1, 2, 3, just as easy as can be. Just the way you look at me, you make me smile. Ain't no need to
Count that again. All right, we've got 10, 9, 8, 6. Whoops, I counted wrong. Okay, we've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Hands up.
You skipped 2.
Yeah.
What is wrong with me? All right, do it again. Okay, we've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Oh, jeez.
2, 1. Hands up. All right, Sam, you want to get it done. So
Can I redo
you're going to
that?
repeat that. Yeah. So you want to grab?
Cool. Sorry.
No, well, I can't count. So. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, we've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand. You guys put your hands up before I said hands up. Now do it again. Holy moly.
Yeah, I was such my fault.
Do it again. I think you need to pour the milk.
Yeah. You're doing
that cup?
It looks more homey.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, we've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Marley, for God's sakes. All right, ready? We're going to do it again.
God, Marley. Did you plate those?
I know. Those are gonna go.
Ready? We're going to do it again.
Hide them, man.
No, ready? You can't see them. All right, get back into so I can count down. Sam, you're going to pour the milk again, remember?
Oh my God, can I just clean these up?
You can get that out of the way.
Okay.
All right.
I'm just gonna bring this from over here.
All right, Mike, come on. Stay. Hands up. Don't put hands up
Wait
before they're...
till he goes like 2 seconds after one.
Hands up. Ready, Marley?
Yep.